At any given point in our lives, we will hear people talk about insurance. There are all types of insurance, for example, automobile insurance, property insurance, life insurance, health insurance, and even a paranormal insurance policy. In short, insurance policies help us by providing coverage for various risks and expenses, should something unfortunate happen. Many people mistakenly believe that all insurance policies are alike, but this is not always the case. For example, automobile insurance policies typically cover damage to vehicles, and property coverage may include injury or loss of possessions. Paranormal insurance can help protect you and your loved ones from paranormal activity, such as ghost sightings or supernatural accidents. Coverage can include damage to property or bodily injury, both of which could be caused by paranormal activity. So, what is a paranormal insurance policy? It's basically insurance coverage that can be applied to supernatural events such as hauntings and poltergeist activity. In addition, insurance companies may also offer paranormal insurance policies that protect policyholders against losses or injuries caused by supernatural activity. Some insurance companies offer this type of coverage because many people believe that these incidents are actually happening. There are pros and cons to having a paranormal insurance policy. Pros include the fact that it provides financial protection in the event of a supernatural incident occurring. Additionally, most people feel comfortable knowing they have coverage if something strange happens in their home or property. Cons include the fact that policies may only cover specific types of supernatural activity and may not be adequate if something more serious occurs, such as a ghost attacking someone. In general, it's important to do your research when purchasing insurance. There are many different types of policies available, and what might be appropriate for one person might not be ideal for another. It's also crucial to understand the coverage that is offered and make sure you are comfortable with all of the terms and conditions before signing up. There are a number of reasons that people might need insurance for paranormal activity. For example, if you own property and have someone claiming that supernatural forces have damaged your home, insurance can help cover the cost of repair or replacement. If you're involved in an accident, car or otherwise, and somebody alleges that paranormal factors were responsible, liability insurance could help cover costs associated with any lawsuits filed. Paranormal insurance policies can be helpful if you are worried about becoming a victim of supernatural activity. There are a few things to consider before buying a policy of this type. For example, it is important to know what supernatural activity is covered by the policy and whether any exclusions apply. For example, poltergeist activity might not be included in coverage. It is also important to determine the terms of the policy. For instance, how long will it cover claims? And lastly, make sure you have an insurance agent who can answer your questions and help you understand your coverage. Spook-safe insurance policies cover all incidents that are of a paranormal, supernatural nature. Death by a paranormal or supernatural activity, injury by a paranormal or supernatural activity, damage to personal property caused by a paranormal or supernatural activity. A British pub owner availed a spook-safe policy after seeing ghosts throwing glasses in his bar. Worried these ghosts may cause bodily harm or death to him or his patrons, he took a spook-safe policy with a yearly premium of £500. The policy covered death or injury to staff or customers for up to £1 million. In another instance, a woman was thrown from a staircase in her home. The guilty party was declared as a ghost and the death resulted in a payment of $100,000 by her insurers. Spook-safe insurers have paid out to insureds who convincingly demonstrated that they have suffered ghost-related loss. In the UK, the cover was offered by the insurance firm Ultraviolet. However, this insurance was stopped between 2001 and 2002. There are other insurance companies such as Lloyd's of London that provide coverage for similar situations. For example, there are insurance policies that cover werewolves, Bigfoot attacks, alien abductions. There are a few companies that offer insurance specifically for ghost hunting. For those fearful of supernatural threats, taking out such a policy will ensure peace of mind and protection in the event something untoward happens. Additionally, insurance policies can be cancelled if one no longer requires their coverage or changes their mind about needing it should an incident actually occur. In conclusion, paranormal insurance policies are unique in that they generally cover risks associated with supernatural activity or hauntings. There is no one-size-fits-all answer as to whether you should purchase a paranormal insurance policy, as each individual will have different needs and preferences when it comes to coverage. Policies are bought by individuals who have sufficient evidence to believe their home or business is suffering from a haunting, and also by those who want a Halloween gag gift for themselves, friends, or family members. Although these policies are not typically used to cover everyday accidents or losses, they can be a valuable addition in the event of an actual ghost-related incident. Out of all the insurance companies out there, Lloyd's of London is one that specializes in providing insurance for ghost hunting. They offer a policy specifically for this purpose called ghost hunting insurance. The policy covers any losses or damage caused by spooks such as poltergeists, hauntings, or possessions. This policy is only available to people living in the UK at this time.